The unique device identification rule, that was a rule that was issued by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA, back in 2013. And it is slowly being implemented over the years. And we've now seen about 1.7 million products now have, or there are UDIs in what's called the Global UDI database, which is managed by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. And for a long time, we focused on it as a regulation. And this is a regulation where the manufacturers have said, or the FDA has said to manufacturers, all of your products must be assigned and labeled with a UDI, and so a unique device identifier, and then they have to publish additional data into the global UDI database. And a lot of suppliers really looked at this originally as, this is something I have to do. Okay, I'm going to check the box, I'm going to do what I need to do. But what's really been interesting is as AHRMM has engaged the entire healthcare community in the AHRMM Learning UDI community, is people are starting to recognize that you can gain value. When supply chain, we've tended to focus on what we buy, from whom, at what price, and what quantity. We're seeing this absolute shift because UDI allows us to start understanding not only what did I buy, from whom and at what price, but what did I use, on what patient, and to what outcome, both in terms of cost and quality. So they can start, we're capturing data about the unique device identifiers for the products being used in patient care in electronic health records. And then we can start understanding, what did I pay for this product? What did I charge for this product? What was I reimbursed for the procedures in which that product was used? And then we start looking at how those products work on different patient populations. That changes the nature of the conversation between manufacturers and provider customers. So if you think about the role that UDI, unique device identification, can play in cost quality outcomes, it's giving us that data that we need about absolute patient care so we can start understanding how the supplies that we're using, oftentimes the implantable devices, how they are impacting the quality of care. Whether or not we're reducing complications, improving patient satisfaction and patient outcomes. All, of course, that wraps up to reimbursement in a value-based world. But if we don't actually know what products we're using on patients and we're not capturing that data, we can't do that analysis. We can have the best advanced analytics in the world, but if we don't have good data. So UDI is fundamental to cost, quality, and outcomes research around the products we use.